fresh. What do you mean fresh? Look at this.
Yes, it looks fresh. How about we make it?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay guys, now we will make mojito ice. First, prepare the tools and ingredients.
Such as lemon, Sprite, syrup, ice cubes, basil seeds, spoon, knives, and glasses.
Next, thinly slice the lemon.
After that, put enough syrup into the glass.
And add ice cube to taste.
Then, enter the lemon slice and add the basil seed.
Then pour the Sprite until the glass is full. And mojito ice is ready to serve.